In front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. While testing this device before recording, I discovered it has a lot of haptic feedback options. So to manage all of them, let's begin. Firstly, you need to open Settings and scroll down to click on Sound and Vibration. Then scroll all the way down right away. Click on Vibration and Haptics. And use the switcher next to Use Vibration and Haptics to switch it on or turn it off. If you decided to enable them, you can tap on all of those switchers next to all of those features to disable or enable vibrations for them. Ring vibration. Vibrate first, then ring gradually. Notification, alarm vibrations, and then touch feedback. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, go back and tap on those two switches next to those features, charging sounds and vibration, and always show icon when in vibrate mode to switch off or on both of them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!